Welcome to Providence Oaks, right outside of Raleigh and Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. We offer flexible, open-concept, two-story floor plans across 281 home sites with many neighborhood amenities. You'll love living just 3 miles from charming downtown Fuquay-Varina with retail, craft breweries, coffee shops, and restaurants. Residents will enjoy a swimming pool, cabana, dog park, garden, playground, pocket parks, and an on-site pond. Within a 10-minute drive, you have access to multiple parks with trails, picnic shelters, multi-purpose fields, playgrounds, and more. Pulte innovative smart home designs bring enhanced connectivity to your home with smart thermostats, doorbell cameras, and wireless access points. Our homes are Energy Star certified with low HERS scores to cut electricity costs each month. From whole home insulation to efficient windows and HVAC systems, we build homes to help you save money and enjoy greater comfort. And if that isn't enough, your cable TV and high-speed internet come included in the HOA dues, a huge monthly savings to your pocket. Providence Oaks is situated in a prime location in the heart of Fuquay-Varina. Slightly tucked away to create a serene and private feel, you'll find an abundance of shopping centers, grocery stores, and local restaurants nearby to make running errands, grabbing a bite, or looking for fun very convenient. Fuquay boasts many awards, like being ranked as the safest small city and a top-rated place to move in North Carolina. We are located close to 55, Interstate 540, and Highway 401. Offering the convenience of downtown Raleigh being a short drive away. Just 20 miles away, Raleigh offers endless opportunities for entertainment, cultural experiences, museums, theaters, music venues, and everything from casual fare to fine dining experiences. We can't wait to help you find your new home. See why so many have said yes to Providence Oaks.